Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can buy LTX Studio. In order to do so, here we are at LTX.studio, and what we're looking for can be found up at the top in the main menu. You'll see pricing. If we click on that, then that's going to bring us to the page where we can pick a subscription. There is no way to buy it outright. You are going to need to subscribe. So you could see here that we have yearly subscriptions or we have monthly subscription, and we have the free version, which gives you 800 one-time minutes to play around with. We've got the light version for $15 a month, the standard version for $35 a month, and the pro version for $125 a month. There is also the enterprise version, but in order to gain access to that, you are going to need to contact their sales department. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.